In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right level of access for each person on your team, all while keeping your account secure and organized. Start by opening your Cloudflare account and signing into the dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left panel. This is your main navigation area, and it's where you'll find the controls for account level settings and user management. Click Manage Account to open your account settings. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding so you're inviting people to the right place. Inside the account settings, click Members. This section shows everyone who currently has access to your account along with their roles. It's a great spot to review who's in, who's pending, and what permissions they have. To add someone new, click Invite Members. You'll see a field to enter their email address. Type the work email of the person you want to invite. Take a moment to double check for typos. This ensures the invitation lands in the right inbox and avoids delays. If your organization uses a specific email domain for staff, stick to that for consistency and security. Next, add permission roles. Roles define what each person can see and change. For example, you might give full administrative access to a trusted lead, assign billing access to a finance teammate, or choose read-only for someone who just needs to monitor settings without making changes. Following the principle of least privilege is a best practice. Grant only what's necessary for the person's responsibilities. You can always adjust permissions later if their role evolves. You can also create a policy if your plan supports it. Policies help you enforce security and governance, such as requiring two-factor authentication, enforcing single sign-on, or restricting where users can log in from. Setting a clear policy upfront keeps your account compliant and reduces risk as your team grows. Once everything looks good, click Invite Members to send the invitation. Cloudflare will email the person you added, and they'll need to accept the invite to gain access. After they accept, you'll see their status update in the members list with the role you assigned. That's it. You've opened your Cloudflare account, navigated through the left panel, selected Manage Account, gone into Members, invited your teammates by email, assigned the right permission roles, optionally set a policy, and finalized the invite. Keep roles tidy, review access periodically, and you'll maintain a secure, well-managed Cloudflare environment.